Hello everyone and welcome to AMS Jupyter Hub server. In this tutorial, we will learn how to start Jupyter Hub server and register for the courses which we want. Let us get started. To get the following page, enter the URL into the address bar. You can use any browser of your choice. Next, enter username and password to sign in if you have already one from the previous courses. If you are not registered yet, click on the sign up link to get you registered on the AMS server. Fill the sign up form, enter your matriculation number which is from university, provide your university email, select your password, minimum 8 characters. Agree to the terms. You must fill the form by clicking on the form button. It will redirect you to Google Form. You must submit the filled form to get access to the server. Those students who have already registered during previous semesters do not need to sign up. However, they also must fill the Google form to get access to the server again. Here is a snapshot of Google Form. Important info to be filled is university email and matriculation number. Then select the course you want to register. You can choose multiple courses. Note that submit only one form if you want to register for more than one courses. Next, to sign in, enter your matriculation number and password to log in to the server. This is your AMS Jupyter Hub server homepage. From the homepage, you can start your Jupyter Notebook server. Get started with the server is explained in part 2. Thank you for watching the video.